a car. First, draw the car's body. Deep pink. Black. Good job. Yellow. Now draw a window. Great. Now draw a front wheel and a rear wheel. You've made a wonderful car. Play. You are making such wonderful pictures. Let's draw some more. You may choose what you wish to draw. Let's draw a wagon. Draw a big rectangle. And now another one. Yellow. Excellent. Draw square windows. Good job. Draw a strong frame. Yellow. And wheels, so your wagon can move. You got it! You have made a wonderful wagon. You are making such wonderful pictures. Let's draw some more. You may choose. Let's draw a big truck. First, draw a cab with a window. Draw a big bed for cargo. Yellow. Great! Now draw the truck's frame. Good going! Now draw a rear wheel. Yellow. And a front wheel. Look! Your truck can move heavy loads. An excavator. First, draw its tracks. Now draw a truck roller. One more truck roller. And one more. Perfect! Now draw a cab with a window. Now the engine. Well done! Draw a boom for your excavator and an arm. And now draw a bucket so your excavator can dig the ground. Great! What an excellent excavator! Check out how your excavator is digging with its bucket.